All right, guys, take a look at this right here. You see this right here where it says top stories right here? This is the Google News top stories section, and it's pretty close to the top of Google search engine. In this video today, I'm going to show you how you can get your Clickbank products, such as this one right here, in this section called Top Stories on Google News. So if that sounds good to you, then let's go ahead and get started on it here. Sit back, relax, and get ready to watch this particular method here. I'm going to show you how you can do this as well. Now, so what I did was I come over here to the Clickbank. We're using Clickbank, of course. And if you don't have an account at Clickbank, you need to go to clickbank.com and just click sign up and sign up for your account on Clickbank and check your email. They will send you an email confirmation. Get it validated. Come on back, get signed in. Click on Marketplace right up here, guys. It brings you to the Marketplace page here. And then you can see that I just clicked on this little search box right here. I didn't enter anything in. Just clicked on that. It brings up the most popular Clickbank products when you do that. And then I sorted it by gravity. And you can see that ExitPure is at the top here, and you can make $146 roughly at this time per sale here on this particular product. So that's what I'm going to use. Now, this is not a free method, guys, but it's not expensive to do either. This is recommended to do this with many different Clickbank products. Of course, like I always say, the more you post, the more money or more opportunity you have to make more money with, right? So it's the same with this method here. All right, so what we want to do is I took ExitPure right here, and this should be able to be done from all over the world as well. If you can access Clickbank, you're good. If you can't, you can use Digistore 24 products or Warrior Plus or any affiliate product that you want to use with this particular method here. All right, so I chose to take ExitPure right here, and I did a Google search for it right here, guys. If you'll notice, I typed in ExitPure up here, and it came up with all kinds of articles and reviews, and it shows, of course, the top stories, which I'm going to show you how to get into today. And what I did was I came down and I chose one of these other articles. We're going to be using articles, but we're not going to plagiarize or do any kind of direct copying like that. So I picked one of these articles out right here, and that's this one right here. And I decided this one is the one I'll use to show you guys this method. So what you want to do is you want to pick a good article down the list, and then you're going to click on that article, and then it brings over and loads it up, and we are going to copy an article from here. All right, we're not going to use it exactly, we're going to spin it here. So for example, I'll just copy like just this much of it right here to show you how to do this. I could copy the whole thing, which is clear down to about right here, but just to show you how to do this method, I'm just going to take a few words here, but you would want to take the whole article, okay? So we're going to copy that. The next thing we want to do, we want to bring the copied article, and you might have to do it a couple of times, over to this site right here, guys. It's called QuillBot. Look right up here in the address bar. It's QuillBot.com. This is probably the best rephraser or rewriting software, I think, on the internet today, even better than like all the other ones that you've seen before, like SpinBot and those types of things. I think QuillBot is the best. So what I'm going to do is paste in my article in there. All right, and then it's got 112 words. Now, you can sign up for free here with your Google account. As you can see, I'm logged in with my Google account right here. You just want to click on login, and it'll give you the opportunity to create a local account or use your Google or Facebook account. Get logged in. The reason why is because you get more words that you can put in at one time in the QuillBot rephrasing engine here. So then anyways, once you get your some paragraphs in there, and I think without signing in, by the way, I want to tell you, without signing in, you get about 100 words that you can use at a time. You could do it that way, but it'll just take you longer to get your whole article copied and rewritten and things like that. So nonetheless, you've got your some of your article in here, and then you just want to click on paraphrase here, rewrite it over here, and if you'll notice, it's rewritten it, or it is rewriting it right now over here to the right, just above me. And okay, so it's done. And if you look, the major cause of brown adipose tissue is the primary. So that first line, as you can see here, is completely different from this one right here. So that's what happens. Now when you get your article rewritten, what you want to do is you want to copy the rewritten article. Just copy that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to bring it over here to Google Docs. Come over here to docs.google.com. You see that right there? And what you do is when you get logged in here, of course with your Google account, you see I'm logged in already. And you want to click on blank document right here. And that's going to load up the blank document right here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to paste our rewritten article in here. Of course, you're going to, put a title up here and make it look a little bit nicer and so on and so forth. But what you want to do is once you get your article in there, then we want to come back to the marketplace, and you want to remember to get your affiliate link, because we're going to put affiliate links in here. So you want to put in and make sure that your account nickname is in there. You can put a tracking ID if you want to, and then click on generate hop links. It gives you the long Clickbank link right here, guys. And then we just want to copy that link, and then we're going to come back to Google Docs right here, and then you want about everywhere you see that it says ExitPure, we're going to add a couple of words there, and we're going to add our affiliate link into that right there. So then we just click paste it in there, and then click apply. So now that becomes a link, right? So anywhere you see where it says like the particular product name, you can make a link out of that, or you can make a whole sentence a link as well. And then once you get your whole article done, then what you want to do is you want to download it. Come over here and download it as like a Microsoft Word doc or a rich text, or you can even do it in PDF if you want to, or plain text. Just download your article to your computer that has your affiliate links in it from that. Then what you want to do, once you've got all that done, now you want to add in some pictures too. Don't forget, you'll want to come back and, for example, if we click on ExitPure right here, this is the particular sales page right here, and you can also get some pictures. You can copy a picture off of here, or if it has more anything in it like that, or you could even try the affiliates. We'll click on affiliate here. You can probably get some better picture. And yeah, we come to images. Here you go. You can just use these product images, just download them and save them to your computer, and then upload it here on Google Docs, and upload it and put it in here. Actually, you can just drag it and drop it right into your middle of your article, like you've seen on this particular one here. They've got pictures of it right here, see? So you want to do that same thing. Get a picture or two in your article of the product. And then once you're done with that, then download it as a rich text document or whatever, PDF or Microsoft Word document, plain text, whatever you want. Download it to your computer. Then how are you going to get it into top stories section here? This is what I'm going to show you now, how to get your article into this. Once you got the article all done, paraphrased, and already done in the Google Docs section and downloaded to your computer, then you want to come over here. Come over here to Fiverr, one of my favorite sites. You see it? It's Fiverr.com up here, guys. And if you don't have an account here, it's easy enough to click on join, get signed up, and they'll probably send you an email confirmation. Get that checked out, come back, get signed in, and then typed, if you'll notice here in the search engine, I typed in Google News. And you can see it here, and you can see that there are several people here that are selling their services. It says, I will publish, interview, or an article on Google News. Some of these others here, like I will do a high quality guest post on my DA57 Google News approved site. That's Google News approved, and that's how you will get your article into the top stories, because these are recent articles on Google News and they are considered the top stories. So you'll do this, and like this person here only charges $5 to do that for you. And then you can find here's another one. I will publish a guest post on a DA58, my Google News approved sites. And these people will all do this for you. I mean, there's all kinds of prices here. and stuff like that, but I wouldn't spend a lot of them. I'd spend maybe $10 at the most, or $5 to get started. Once you get sales, if you want to pay a little higher price to somebody, I guess maybe they'll do it differently, like this one here. I'll do a press release distribution to 300 sites with Google News. So see, that's how you do that, guys. And then once you get one of these done, you got somebody that'll go ahead and post to their Google News approved site, and thereby getting your article into the top stories of Google News, like you see these are here. And then you should be able to drive an incredible amount of traffic to your Clickbank products. And I say, I show you about Google.com, right, as having traffic, guys. We know that monthly visits, 89 billion people per month use the Google search engine. So there's plenty of market there for each and every one with your Clickbank products or your affiliate products that you're looking to promote, and using Fiverr as the way to get your article up on those top stories section in Google and driving lots of traffic. Then you just want to come back to Clickbank, do the same thing again, pick another product, enter the product name into the Google search engine like you've seen I did here with ExitPure. Find an article, you should see top stories, and then find an article down here to use, rewrite it with QuillBot, get it over into Google Docs, get your links put into it and your pictures, save it, and then come back to Fiverr and hire somebody again for $5 or $10 to do it again over and over and over. And it won't be long, and you should begin to see some sales come into your Clickbank. And by the way, if you like this video, reach down there and give me a thumbs up below the video. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, reach down there below your video right now, click that subscribe button and click that little notification bell so that you get notified as when I upload new videos, which I do pretty frequently here on this particular channel for you guys. Alrighty, also, if you have any comments, that's my video for you today, guys, is a method to show you how to get your articles into the top story section on Google, and that's the method I had for you. If you also, if you have any comments or questions about this particular method, just leave them down there in the comment section, and I'll get back with you on that as soon as possible. And also, if you want to see my free video presentation on how to learn how to do high-ticket affiliate marketing, where you can make thousands of dollars in one day's possibility, well, you want to click down there below my video in the top of my description where it says mentorwithkev.com, and come over and check out my free video presentation that will show you how you can become a high-ticket affiliate marketer. Alrighty, guys. Well, guys, I'm going to let you go with that. Don't forget to give me a like down there if this video was valuable to you, this method, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting money-making video. You guys take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye now.